Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, hopefully, everybody is doing great. Welcome to another live trading session. We are November 9. Yes, time is flying. Yeah, matter of fact, in just a couple days, man, I'm gonna turn 40. Yep, this is scary shit. This is some scary shit. So yeah, let me just fix something very quickly, guys. In the meantime, make sure you comment on YouTube. Make sure to let me know if the sound is loud and clear, please. And yeah, this is fixed. Perfect. All right, let's go check some comments. Donc, bonjour, bienvenue. So, again, this session is going to be Franglish. So, basically, I'm going to be bouncing from French to English. Don't worry, I'm going to be translating pretty much everything. Donc, bonjour et bienvenue à cette nouvelle session de trading en direct qui sera en franglais. On est le 9 novembre. Et oui, le temps va très vite. Et dans quelques jours seulement, je tournerai le gros chiffre du 40 ans. Et là 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 là. Donc, allons voir les commentaires. So let's go. All right, so we got Rages here. Yo, 40 old man. Yeah, look at this white. Look, I'm getting some white bear right here. What? Man, this is not funny. Sound is clear. All right, awesome. Loud and clear. Excelente. All right, thank you guys. You see, I almost got some Italian in there. All right, so don't forget to smash the like button as you come in. That will help for sure. Donc, n'oubliez pas de liker le stream. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate notifications so you'll know next time I go live. Yes, last week and the week before, I had to skip a couple episode of Forex Talk Over Beer, a couple episodes of live stream. The business is really booming and I had to be out of town, so that's the reason. But we're back this morning and it's gonna be an amazing session. So hopefully you guys are ready. Because price been mostly rangy. I actually didn't check a lot this morning, but quickly it looked like GG is still ranging. But we're gonna take a look at this. What's up, man? What's up? All right, let's go check it out, GJ. You see, I'm lagging this morning. All right, so let's move on. All right. So I got this new function here with the camera at the bottom left, and I think it's better. So, all right, let's do this. Let's do this. All right, so this is GJ. Let's I guess those zones are still good, but this is my chart from yesterday. Let's remove everything and start fresh. What do you guys think? Donc, on va enlever tout ce qu'on a et on va recommencer à zéro. All right, so let's start with the monthly. All right, so looking at the monthly right now, I mean, I do a quick look on the monthly to see the bigger picture, but I start to build my bias on the daily time frame. Donc, je regarde rapidement le chart du mois pour voir un petit peu qu'est-ce qui se passe dans l'ensemble de l'œuvre. Mais généralement, je commence à former mon idée à partir du time frame journalier. So looking at this last month, we did close bullish above this monthly resistance. So technically it looked like we came down here, we formed support to go retest the high, and now we are good to go to continue pushing up. But we know for a fact that this monthly candle needs to print a bottom wick first before pushing up, right? So and that can take a couple days, weeks, right? Because this is a monthly candle. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart du mois, on voit que le mois passé, cette chandelle-ci a fermé en haut de cette résistance. On a eu un retracement vers le bas, on a formé un support, on est venu retester le nouveau sommet, on a créé un nouveau sommet. Cette nouvelle chandelle-là ouverte, on est en train de créer le bas de la chandelle pour remonter vers le haut et continuer. OK? Donc, mais ça peut prendre quelques semaines, quelques jours, parce que c'est une chandelle du mois. Looking at the weekly right now, yeah, I mean, last week we did close bearish. This candle just broke previous low, so it looked like we might continue down a little bit. But fun fact here, not fun fact, but the fact, we are right now, where is this? Here we go. We are in this golden zone on the weekly time frame. So yeah, so at this stage, got to be careful because we might see a reversal pattern to push back up. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart de la semaine, don't forget the time change. Yeah, time change was Saturday. So yeah, but don't worry, the phone took care of that. Um, but it doesn't change anything. I mean, New York Open is still 9:30. New York Open is still 8:30. Sorry, NYC Open is still 9:30. So those don't change. Okay, so it's still the same time. All right, where I was. OK. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart de la semaine, on a créé un nouveau sommet. On est venu vers le bas et là, on est en train de former un support pour pouvoir pousser vers le haut. On est directement dans une golden zone sur le chart de la semaine. All right, so now let's take a look at the daily time frame. Looking at the daily, we did create a new high here, but since a couple of days now, we have this retracement down. So if we look over here, we are right now right in that golden zone on the daily time frame also. So we did form support right here. We did close above 153 time frame, 153. What am I talking about? 153 major QP. And now this daily candle just went down, created a top wick, and look like we are ready to start pushing back up now. So you might see a nice little retracement. So I might be looking almost for buys here. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart journalier, donc on voit qu'on est venu vers le bas, on a formé un support directement dans la golden zone, on a fermé en haut du QP majeur 153, et là, cette nouvelle chandelle-là est venue vers le bas, on a retesté le 153, on a formé le bas de la mèche pour pousser vers le haut. So we did retest 153 and we rejected, and now we're pushing back up. All right, so let's take a look at 4 hours. All right, so 4 hours, we did add this retracement. This is our retracement on the daily time frame here on 4 hours. And now we hit 153. And since we hit 153, we've been bouncing back and forth and retesting this 153 153 level, that's been super strong. Donc, depuis qu'on est venu vers le bas et qu'on a tapé le 153, on fait juste se promener là, de haut en bas puis retester ce 153-là. All right, so now let's establish some zone here. All right, so this would be my zone right here. Gonna have one more over here. And to the bottom side, we got this zone here. That's been tested already. And we got this one here. All right, that should do it for now. All right, let's take a look at H1. So yeah, so like here, you definitely don't want to be trading in this shit now. The range, yes, the range is big, but sorry guys. Wow. Getting old, man. So the range is 50 pips. Yes, you can grab moves in there, but the question is it the optimal move? Is it the best move you can get today? And the answer is probably not, so you want to be out of this range. So you want to see something break and retest and continue up above this area, or you want to see something under this area. Actually, we can remove this one right here. We can see something under 750 and to continue down, right? So this is something I'm going to be looking at. Inside of this, not interested. The only way I'm going to be interested is, let's say we have a bullish candle that closed like over here very nicely, and the timing is great with NY open or NYC open. I might take it here, putting a lot of trust in the volume to break this zone, but that's the only option I'm going to be looking at. Donc, si on regarde ici, on veut vraiment attendre d'avoir brisé cette zone-ci vers le haut ou vers le bas pour pouvoir continuer vers le haut. Donc, on veut un bris et un test à nouveau. Parce qu'à l'intérieur de ça, il y a une consolidation de 50 pips environ. Oui, il y a de la place, mais est-ce que c'est le move vraiment le plus optimal que vous pouvez avoir aujourd'hui, ou ce serait plus optimal d'être en haut de cette zone-là ou en bas? Je crois que ce serait beaucoup plus simple en haut de cette zone et en bas de cette zone. All right? All right, guys. So now let's go take a look at gold. Actually, let's go see if we have some comments, questions. Let's see. NY open 9 a.m. East, 10 a.m. East. No. Sorry, it's not East. My bad. Yeah, exactly. No problem. All right. So let's see. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, so everything else is good. Perfect. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Look like the like button might be defect or something. Come on. Show some love here. I don't ask for much, just ask for a little like. Smashing good, boys and girls. All right, let's go back on gold. All right, so we got gold here. So took 2 buys yesterday on gold. One of them ending up pretty nicely. The other one went in drawdown with a little loss, but hey, it is what it is. We'll talk about those in Forex Talk over here. All right, so okay. On gold, most of the time I take a look very, very quickly here on the monthly, just to see what's going on here. We did form support here. We're pushing back up. Okay, sweet. Um, what the hell is this line? Okay. Weekly. Okay, interesting. This level is really strong, man. 1827 and 1818. Very strong. Look at all those weekly candle. Huh. All right, so let's take a look at the daily here. All right, so daily is pushing up. We are breaking above this area. So if you look here, we have this area right now. This still pretty strong. So if you see, we got one, two, three times that price tried to break this area and got rejected. So are we gonna reject this area once again, or are we gonna break above? So that's going to be something to take a look at, because we might just reject or we can just break. So, am I taking a move here? Hell no. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. But it definitely looked more bullish than bearish. Um, but all right, let's go take a look at the lower time frame. Let's take a look at H4. Donc, si on a regardé sur le chart journalier, on voit qu'on a des zones de résistance ici là, qui sont très fortes. On en a trois fois que le prix a essayé de briser cette zone-ci et on a échoué puis on a rejeté complètement vers le bas. So, est-ce qu'on va faire un effet miroir ici et rejeter aussi? So, we might just mirror this move and just retrace all the way down once again. So, got to be very careful here. So, let's take a look at 4 hours. Okay, so this would be um, actually, yeah, that would be the zone. And we have this nasty range. Perfect. Donc ça, c'est nos zones. So this is our zone right here. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Perfect. So I want to see something under this, or I want to see something above this. Very simple. Just got to be patient. Very simple, my friend. Very simple. All right. 30-minute. Cute. All right, cool. All right, next move up to GA. That before we move up to GA, let's go see some comments / questions. Hi from Malaysia. I have a question. Do you like to trade Asian session? Hey, welcome to the channel. I listen. I don't like to trade Asian. The reason why, there's a lot of fake outs, volume is mostly slow, but sometimes I do look at Asian session for overnight trades. So what I do, because here on the East Coast, I'm in Montreal, Canada. Asian session is around like 9 p.m. for us. So this is perfect for taking a like swing trade kind of, I don't like to swing it, but overnight. So if I can see a nice opportunity based on H4, let's say, or daily time frame, I'm going to take a trade with a lower lot, with a smaller lot, I mean with a bigger stop, obviously, because I'm swinging it, and just close the screen, go to bed, wake up the next morning in profit, close the trade, and enjoy the day, right? So this is, sometimes I do take a look at those, but I need something very solid. But I don't do those often, to be honest. So that's the only thing I look to Asian session. Did you start the account with my Forex Found yet? Yes, yesterday. So yesterday, yes, I took a L straight from the bat. So yeah, right at the start, boom, took an L, bam. So, but it's okay. I recovered a big part of that loss with a GA trade yesterday. So yeah, Yeah, that gold trade was heavy. And to be honest, after that, I was looking at it, it's like, oh shit, I miscalculated my lot size like a noob. So yeah. So ending up with a pretty big loss on the first trade. So hey, it is what it is. But that's okay. Like I said, the GA trade actually covered like three-quarter of that loss. Half of that loss, I should say. Yeah, because I had the first loss of like 7,000 something on a 200K account, and now I'm back at 196,600. So that's pretty good. So yeah, so that GA trade was pretty good. GA trade was taken yesterday, and it was, where was it? Oh yeah, it was right here. Where was it? Hold on, 30 minute. Bam, 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 right here. Yeah, on the break of the high right here. So I write this candle up, and unfortunately the runner got stopped out. But yeah, so this was the buy right here. I was aiming this major QP, but I did close partials around like 18 pips, I think. Yeah. So let me save this. Completely forgot to save my gold trade. Give me one sec, guys. Gonna go on Trixie, and this is gonna be GA by 08 11 21. So this is a trading journal for people that don't know Trixie. This is the trading journal I use. I like it because you can import directly from TradingView. You can annotate. You can do whatever you want, and it's a live chart basically. So I can switch from time frame to time frame, and yeah, this it's pretty cool. So make it public. This was a win. This was action. All right, perfect. All right, let's continue. Now let's remove everything. Let's go see some questions very quickly. I think this night USA impact like Jerome Powell speaks. I will sit back and no trade during he speaks. Oh yeah, when he speaks, market goes a little wild. So yeah, we're gonna keep an eye on that. All right, so let's remove all this. Let's remove all this. And again, people, welcome, welcome. I know we got some new people. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you didn't do so. And most especially, don't forget to smash that like button. It really definitely helped me, help the YouTube algorithm. So that's the only thing I ask. Don't ask for money. Don't ask for anything. Just ask for a little like. It'll literally take you 1 second. All right, so let's start with GA here. Let's remove this. All right. So looking at the monthly candle right now, I mean, it looked like GJ a lot right now. We went up, now we're forming support to push back up. We rejected this orange zone. This orange zone is on the weekly. This orange zone is a gap that never got filled. This is a zone I kept like many weeks ago. I kept there because I said it's gonna get filled at one point. And so far, he actually went super close to fill it and just never filled it. But hey, it is what it is. Donc ça, c'est une zone que j'avais gardée depuis plusieurs semaines parce que c'était un gap qui n'a jamais été rempli et j'étais sûr qu'il était pour se faire remplir à un certain moment donné. Mais ça a passé très près et on ne l'a pas rempli. So now let's see. This weekly candle seems to be pushing very bullish right now. We're rejecting this major QP at 82,000. So let's see what happened on the daily. Daily, we did form low. We did form high here. It's a lower high. So now we need to see this candle. Is this candle can break this resistance and have a break of structure on daily? Because right now we're still on the bearish mode, but we're definitely on a higher time frame, getting to a point where we probably here on this monthly time frame, we're probably in that golden zone, to be honest. So let's see. Um, we actually rejected the safety net. Okay. So we rejected the safety net. So we might be seeing a reversal here and start to push up. Donc, on est dans le golden zone journalier. Donc, on devrait commencer à pousser vers le haut ici. Puis voir un renversement de structure. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. Oops. This is good. Perfect. All right, let's take a look at 4 hours. All right, so 4 hours. We got this zone. We're just stuck in that range. Donc, en 4 heures, rien de spécial à mentionner, à part le fait qu'on est probablement maintenant très près de la golden zone. So if we look, if we got our fib short, right? So we got to be careful because we're right now in that golden zone on H4. So we might just push back down because we actually failed so far on creating a new high and breaking the structure. So right now the structure is still bearish, right? So if you look at daily, we are still bearish. Yes, now we have a push up, but this is a retracement up to go lower, obviously, or eventually I should say. But we do know that on the weekly time frame, we're getting into this golden zone safety net. So got to be careful here. It's going to be a tricky area. So definitely going to keep that in mind because we might see resistance form, and if we do see a nice resistance form, might be interested of taking this sell. But if we do break above this area, it's going to be nice for buys. So if we do stay above this 250 QP, we're going to have a nice run up. All right, so let's take a look at H1. So H1 is right in that H4 golden zone. Actually, I just moved this zone. Oops. Here we go. Here we go again. It's a me, Mario. You know what? Let's move this. That would make sense. And this should be right here. Perfect. So yeah, definitely want to stay above this zone. Maybe some nice break and retest here to continue up. Or I want to see something retesting, maybe this major QP, forming a nice engulfing support and to continue up. But if we see a double top here, that might be our reversal pattern right in H4 golden zone to continue down. So that's something I'm going to keep in mind. All right, so we got our plan. Man, already 7:17. Whoa. Okay. Let's go back to GJ. What happened here? So we got a 1 hour close here. Close definitely bearish. Small body candle. So okay. Nothing exciting. Let's go take a look at gold. Gold 1 hour. Oh, this is GA. What am I talking about? Gold GA 1 hour did close bullish We got a break, retest, and bullish candle confirmation from retesting this major QP. But we got this resistance right here. So I got to make sure that we do break and stay above. Let's take a look at gold 1 hour. So gold 1 hour did close small body bearish, rejecting this area. But now we know that there's going to be some news. So let's go take a look at Forex Factory. Oops. And let's go take a look at what's going to happen. All right, so today at 8:30 we got PPI for the US, so that should move gold pretty wildly. We got Powell that's going to speak at 9. So, oh yeah, okay. So that's why gold's been super rangy. We got Bailey speaking also at 11. Holy, for the pound. Man, market should move today. All right, let's go back to comments and questions. Let's see. And again, guys, don't forget, we should be at least at 50 likes right now. You know, we should be at least at 50 likes. All right, let's see. I missed some comments here. Bonjour Sacha, comment te portes? J'ai une bonne nouvelle à t'annoncer. Je te l'envoie sur ton Instagram. Oh, j'ai hâte de voir ça, Albert. Donne-moi 2 petites secondes. On va aller voir ça. So we got a good news here from Albert. Je ne l'ai pas reçu encore. Mais je t'ai texté, là. J'ai hâte de voir ça. Morning, first time here. Like and subscribe. Oh, thank you so much. Very appreciate. Thank you. Welcome. Question: what are those horizontal line you have? Those are quarter points. QP. Those are psychological level round numbers. You can call them as you want. But there's a quarter point theory that price love to respect those areas. So I find a way to work with them very well. Welcome, mates. Yes. Watching from BC. Oh, yes. The beautiful British Columbia. Love it. Canada in the house. Quarter points, yes. Does he use them for entries? More like confluence. Yeah, Ray is right. Yeah. No, they're just like fixed numbers. You know, you see 154 like quarters, right? Like 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. Same idea, you know. 154 flat, 250, 500, 750, you know. The major QP are the one with the 3 zeros, and the other one are minor QPs. Yes. So you see how they are very, very, very well respected here, you know. Hello, sir. What do you think on Euro USD? You can send your chart, you know. So the way that you send your chart, you click on the camera button right here. You click on copy link to the chart image. You're going to erase the first part. You're going to keep the part with the \X to the other \. You're going to paste that in the chat, and we're going to be able to look at it. Because I cannot like break down every single pair out there. It's not going to make sense. But if you want to look at another pair, I'm going to be willing to do it if you do your part. So send me your chart, and we're going to definitely take a look at it. Hi, first time here. Like and subscribe from Pakistan. Oh, welcome, buddy. Welcome. Pretty excited. We are worldwide this morning. Hi, Sasha. Will you take a buy when this 30-minute close for GJ? GJ, 30-minute close? Why? Tell me, like, why and when. Because if this 30-minute close, I need something to close above right here. I need something to close above. Me, what? Are you calling me? Did you call my name? No. Oh, I thought you called my name. Sorry, I've got someone in front of me. I have to say something. That's fine. You can talk. I thought we were doing a simulation yet. What? I thought we were doing a simulation. Oh, no. We're on YouTube. Okay, sure. Sorry. No problem. All right, so yeah, no, there's no way I can enter 30-minute candle right here. I mean, I said this is a range. I don't want to be trading in a range, right? So, but if this candle close above here, that's a different story. But if it close in that range, no, I'm not touching it. Albert, je viens de t'envoyer la nouvelle. On va aller voir ça. Après un an de travail, est-ce que je peux le lire à voix haute ou je suis pas sûr là. Je vais attendre de voir parce que je veux pas dire n'importe quoi. How gold is going to move today? That's a good question. That's a good question. I don't have a crystal ball, dude. Sorry, man. But yeah, we can't. I don't like to predict the market. I like to react to the market. Okay. So anyone's trying to predict the market, they're bullshitting you. Yeah, the price gonna do this and do that. I'm like, dude, you don't know. Nobody knows. If one person knew, we would all make money. You cannot predict the market. You can have a 90, of where it might go, but you got to react to the market, not predict the market. So, oui, pas de souci. Okay. So, this is the news from Albert. So, I'm going to read it in French because the text is in French first, and then I'm going to translate it. Après un an de travail, j'ai finalement passé mon 50K challenge sur My Forex Fund au premier essai. Je tiens à te remercier pour le soutien et le partage de connaissances venant de toi. Wow! Man! Félicitations, Albert. Vraiment content pour toi. Tu as travaillé fort. Tu as travaillé très, 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 très fort. So, félicitations. So basically, the text I just got, he sent it to me a screenshot of the certificate. He says, after 1 year of work, he's finally passed his 50K challenge on My Forex Found after the first attempt. And says, I would like to thank you so much for your support and the your knowledge that you shared. So yeah, that's pretty cool, man. Pretty excited for you. This is amazing, 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 amazing. Congrats, man. Congrats. All right. This is pretty amazing, man. This is so exciting. Si tu permets, je vais le partager sur Instagram si c'est correct pour toi. Okay, 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 okay. Merci beaucoup. Yeah, awesome. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. All right, we need some music. Need some music. What's up with that, Sasha? You forgot the music. What is wrong with me? Music. Hey, Mr. DJ. Yeah, you really don't want me to be singing. Fuck. So let me know if the music is too loud or it's okay. But can anyone let me know if the music is too loud or it's good on YouTube? Perfect. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go share that. All right. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's go see some. Merci. It's okay. It's good. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay, so now GG is doing shit all. Gold is doing nothing. GA is trying to break the zone. And this 30-minute candle just closed. So this 30-minute candle just closed right above the 250 QP. But what I want to see now is a break, retest, and go. Because right now, for me, in my personal rules, it's too early for impulse entry. So I don't take impulse entry at that time. I start to look at impulse entry around like 8 a.m. Because impulse entry, we all know that impulse entry will work best when there's volume in the market, right? And again, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. All right, let's take a look at GN here. Sorry, guys. So this is a pair I look for sometimes, some swing trade idea. So basically, when I look at this, basically when we look at the daily here, we're definitely bearish, right? Not hard to spot, and we've been trending super nicely, creating lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, and now I'm just waiting for this resistance to be formed here on H4, and once this is going to be confirmed, it might be a nice opportunity for maybe a little swing trade idea. I don't trade. I never took a live trade yet on this pair. It's something I'm acquiring that getting datas. Not able to say it this morning. Acquiring, whatever. So I'm getting more datas. I'm this kind of guy who loves to get a lot of datas before taking a trade. Like, to give you an idea, you can ask all my students. Gold. I've been backtesting gold for like I think over a year before I actually place trades. Um, I mean, or really close to 1 year. So this is me. You see, this is a swing trade idea that I actually paper traded yesterday. I actually didn't look back, to be honest. I placed that yesterday around like 1 p.m. just before leaving for meeting, and I placed that on the break of the low of the H4 candle. Placed stop above the previous one, so a 20 pip stop loss for a 60 pip gain, so a 3 to 1 risk ratio. At this stage, stop would be at break even, for sure. And yeah, we'll see how this play out. My target was this fib play, but put it a little higher, just to make sure we hit it, because we see all those rejection right here. So um, yeah, price almost came all the way down here, and actually went to 45 pips profit, 46. So I'll keep an eye on that. And AUD was actually trying to see also, but I didn't see nice retracement, so I didn't execute anything. And yeah. Oh, sweet baby XRP. Let's go, baby. Keep pushing. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. This is amazing. BTC, I don't give a shit. Fucking those shit. Please push up. So I can exit this bullshit. ADA, fuck ADA, man. Not ADA, sorry. ADA is doing good. ADA is doing good. Holy! This is beautiful. This is beautiful because I bought all the way down here. This is amazing. Let's go, 88. Yeah, so people ask me why I choose my Forex founds. Couple of things. First of all, I like I like their program overall. It's actually different. It looks pretty good to be. I have to say. And thanks to you guys because there's a lot of people from the community actually. Because when I sent a message out there, I wanted to test the platform for my students since funding talent. We all know what happened. It was shit. I don't know. It's anyways. So long story short, I was trying to find a platform for my students because a lot of them still want to be founded. So I was about to test FTMO, but there's a lot of people who already tested FTMO. It seems to be working great. So I was looking at other options. I don't like to have only one option and yeah, so basically they pay like if you pass the challenge they refund you plus they give you like I think it's 12% more, so they pay you 112%. They actually pay you during the challenge. Once you pass the challenge, the split commission is 75-25. After the first month it's 80-20, and after the third month it's 85-15. So pretty good. The overall target is 8% instead of 10. The overall drawdown is 12% instead of 10. So yeah, a lot of little things like that makes it really interesting. Yeah, so my Forex Found is another prop firm. You can find the link here on so if you go to my profile right here on IG, or actually in the description I have the same link here, the solo link. If you click on this, you'll see the link for my Forex File is right here. So it's gonna bring you over there, and there we go. So you can see they got different program. I took the evaluation one, and I took the 200K account, and it's actually cheaper. It's 979 instead of 12 1290 I think on FTMO or something like that. So it's actually cheaper also. So you see quick two-phase evaluation, la la la. See more. Yep, so that's it. FX like Mike, what's up, boy? It's good. Yeah. All right, so market is super slow today. A lot of news coming up, so they're actually waiting for that. Bam, 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 bam. Like volume is dead right here. What the fuck happened? Crazy. All right, so we got a chart here coming up from Danny, I guess. Let's see here. It says GJ London Open. Let's take a look. All right, take a look at this. All right, so let's see here. London Open broke above resistance. All right, so right here, this one, perfect. Second two went down to retest the resistance. All right, so we got our break, we got our retest. This 15-minute candle grab liquidity, reject the range below the resistance, and started going up. Yeah, that's perfect. 4 took buys, expecting price to push up, even though we did not have a clean range, but expected volume because that liquidity grab to push it up. Yeah, good. Closed 50% at B as price went to 8 pips in profit, then came back down. That's good. And TP around 20 pips, hit the rest. 20 pips, hit with the rest 50. Okay, that's good. Nice trade, man. Nice trade, nice trade, nice trade. But you see, this is where now I'm getting a little bit more patient with my drawdown. You know, after if price would have go to like 10 pips, 11 pips, yeah, I would be probably out. At 8 pips, it's still, sometimes I find like I choke my trade when I do that, and most of the time it end up like in my way. So that's why sometimes I've been like, just trust yourself, trust your own analysis. Yes, it's never bad to cut risk, right? So it's nothing bad. But for me now these days, I kind of feel like I prefer to get a full L than just like closing 50 and going back now. I don't know. It's maybe I'm stupid. I don't know. It just pissed me off because too many times I actually closed that and went my way. So if I do the math, I'm sure like at the end of the day, I'm still winning, even if I take a full L. But hey, nice trade, man. Very nice trade. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Is spread with MF good? Yeah, right now GJ is 0.4 as we speak. GA is 1.2, 0.8, 1.4. So yeah, pretty good. Gold is 1.5 right now. So, but GG is really good. 0.3, 0.6. Yeah, that's pretty good. GG playing with emotion now a days, bro. GG playing with emotion? No, there's no emotion right now. It's in a range. You don't touch it. There's no emotion to have right here. The only emotion you have is if you try to trade that range. Yeah, you're gonna lose your account. That's gonna be very emotional. But man, when you see something like this, you just sit on your hand and you wait. Don't touch it. My question is, was this valid idea to manage risk, or should I have left the whole position or wait for the 30-minute time frame to manage risk? Oh, I guess I answered that question without knowing that you had that question. But if it, yeah, on my side, I would probably be holding it, to be honest. Especially with that huge tail that he had prior to the move. So yeah, because don't forget this was also another range right here, right? So between those two zones, there was a second range. We finally broke above, and we create a second range right above. So But yeah, I would have been expecting price to continue up, to be honest. I just subscribed to the channel now, bro. Is that not cool? It is pretty cool, man. Vigilant. So thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Very appreciate. Very appreciate. So don't forget to subscribe and like. Very appreciate. Sasha is taking MF challenge. Yes. Doing it mostly to actually test the platform for my students. But the reason why I took the 200K account is because I need to withdraw a big part of my capitals to invest into a business opportunity. So this is why. So we'll see. Market is range because I have news and also volatile. We waiting GJ. Yes. Yes, Allison. So we are waiting. We are waiting GJ or gold if gold wakes up, or GA if GA's wakes up. This is a three pair I mostly trade. Um, so yeah, we'll see. But you see, this is why you don't take a buy on the break of the high here, because I mean you're right at a zone, so you gotta wait. You gotta wait. I get you, but I have been watching Roger for so much time, and I've built that habit to close position as price is coming to be after 5 pips in profit. Yeah, it's not bad, man. Like I said, it's not bad. Nothing's wrong with that. Nothing's bad with that. It just, for me, I find out that too many time I actually close, especially like 5 pips profit. 5 pips profit, you're definitely choking the trade. Uh, Definitely choking the trade. I mean, put it this way. I have two other mentors that's really um, something that they say that makes a lot of sense is, let's say you're in a buy. Now you're cutting your position. Would you sell at that position? If the answer is yes, definitely get out of that trade. If the answer is no, stay in that trade. You know. So and most, you know, I think after 5 pips, cutting your losses short, I think it just, I don't know, it tells me that you're not certain about your bias, you know? You don't believe in yourself, or you don't believe in your own analysis. That's my thinking out of it, or maybe a little bit of gambling, which is, most of the time when people put buy stop, sell stop at the same time, this is definitely, gambling in my end. This is just my personal opinion. I'm not saying I'm, you know, but yeah, I think 5 pips is it's small because you got to be willing to have drawdown, right? If you're not willing to have drawdown, you're not gonna get those wins. You're not gonna get those big wins. It's actually okay, to be in drawdown. But yes, I'm totally allergic to drawdown. Don't get me wrong, right? But when I enter a trade, when I place my stop loss, I know exactly how much I'm risking, right? So if I'm okay with that, that's okay. I'm gonna let it play. Of course, if price action show me something stupid, obviously I'm gonna cut my losses short. If the candle close against me, that's a different story. But most of the time, let's say I enter on the 30-minute candle, I will wait for that 30-minute candle to play out to take a decision. Oh, look who's here. Welcome to the stream, Mr. Mark the Stash.
Our buddy is doing in this rangy Tuesday morning.
Yeah, terrible. Yeah, terrible, terrible, rangy puppy.
Mais là, on fait quoi? Là, on achète-tu? C'est quoi qu'on fait? Là, on vend-tu?
Ben là, c'est ça que justement, qui me demandait ça, là?
J'entendais, je suis en train de leur faire des tours, je regarde.
Tu sais, ça va où, Gold? Laisse-moi sortir ma boule de cristal. M'a dire ça, m'a dire ça. M'a dire ça. Vas-y, full margin, man.
Buy stuff, sell stuffs.
Views about funding talent. There are no more funding talent. Funding talent is dead. Yeah, but they're still in with they call that virtual game or something like that. I don't, but yeah. So yeah, no talking about funding talent because we got too many students that didn't got paid, and they kind of fucked a lot of people.
Mhm.
They truly fucked a lot of people, and they fucked me too because I really believe in those girls, and I pushed them and I promoted them, and they kind of fucked me too by the same way, right? Because
Yep.
yeah, I'm really really hurt about that. Really hurt. I yeah. To be honest, those ladies deserve to be in jail. Those ladies deserve to be in jail. They just fucking stole a shitload of money from a lot of people.
Mhm.
But I have to say, man, they were very good, man, because I truly
Yep.
believed in them.
For the time being, they were really good.
They were fucking good because I truly believed in them. But now I just feel like spitting in their face.
Mhm.
Yes, I did say that on YouTube. Um, do you mind sharing with us who's your mentors? Yeah, the best way would be to go right here. You go on YouTube. You go on Trading Nuts channel right here. Trading Nut right here. And we actually did record a podcast not so long ago, actually, right here, a month ago. And here I talk about all my mentors. Oh, let me remove this. Yeah, right here. So you can listen to this. I talked about all the mentors I had, and how was my journey. And actually, also in the other section right here, actually, where is it? Right here, we actually broke down a GA trade. I explain on people how to build a case, because trading, I see that as, kind of a detective trying to build a murder case, let's say. You definitely want to build a case on your trade. Um, and yeah, definitely want to build a case on, is it going up? Is it going down? And why? What's the hint, but yeah, mostly mentors, the Q banks, Q Banks, My Life Real Quick, Savage, Raja, um, Ted. Never really took a course from Ted, but been watching and listening to him a lot. Sammy, guy from here. Um, who else? I had so many. I had many of them. I invested thousands of dollars into my learnings, many thousands. That's why I always say people invest in yourself first. Don't throw money out in the market if you're not willing to invest in yourself. Don't invest in the market. Invest in yourself first. Anyone suing them? I have no clue. No clue. Thank you. You're welcome, man. You're welcome, mate. Welcome, welcome. So right now, 7:54. We got 6 minutes left for the 1 hour candle. So let's go take a look at
And
what's.
it's pretty boring.
Yeah, pretty boring. Right now, I mean, GJ, there's nothing we can do right now. Let's take a look at gold. Gold, nothing's happening either. GA, not even able to break here. Okay. Ça le fait, là.
C'est vrai, yo. C'est un vieux swing, ça là.
Ça le fait. Non, celui-là, c'est hier.
Hier.
Ouais. J'ai placé à 1h. 1h PM. J'ai attendu cette chandelle-là qui ferme. Puis je l'ai pris sur le bris du haut après le. J'ai pris un dentelle sur un 4h.
Mais pourquoi t'aurais pas juste entry au close puis un dans wait?
Au début, je voulais faire l'ouverture du close. La chandelle était plus petite que l'autre. J'étais comme, man, je vais attendre une deuxième confirmation. Fait que j'ai attendu le dogtail. Mais oui, j'aurais pu prendre une à l'entrée puis une au bris, mettons.
C'était clean, ça.
Ouais.
Direct dans la boîte.
Direct dans la boîte, man. Ouais, mais pour le swing, je dois avouer que c'est. J'aime beaucoup, je check beaucoup GN, NZD, GPY, puis RD, GPY. Je trouve qu'il trend smooth, tu sais. Tu sais, check ça, là. Tu sais, ça peut pas être plus basic que ça, là. Tu sais, puis celle-là, je n'avais pris un autre sur celle-là en plus. Tu sais, c'est.
Bon matin, les boys.
Bon matin, bon matin.
Morning, guys.
Good morning.
Tu sais, regarde GN, comment ça trend smooth, là.
Mais les bars australiennes, c'est nice parce que tu peux trigger le soir avant d'aller te coucher.
Ouais.
C'est dans le bon moment.
Ouais.
Dun, 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 dun. New to the stream, brother. Oh, welcome, Garrett. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. What is your entry type criteria when breaks above or below range? Mostly, again, the best way to find out my entries would be to watch that podcast that we did on Trading Nut. But yeah, mostly I use a lot of things. I use QPs, I use fibs, I use price action mostly for my entries. The comment?
Trend lines.
Yeah, not.
Il est pas là pour se défendre, c'est un cheap shot.
Break and retest, some basic stuff, basic, very basic. Timing is everything. That's something I repeat always. Timing is everything. Mark is right. It's all about timing. Knowing what you know now, who would you recommend to use a main mentor to learn from so we don't throw money out the window? I mean, there's many out there, It really depends. What I tell people is find someone that suits your style, Find someone that suits your style, that has a good vibe, and yeah, that most importantly, someone that will be answering your questions. Because I mean, there's people who I spent like thousands of dollars with and never got my question answered.
Puis aussi pas donner tout cru dans le bec. Parce que ça t'aide pas vraiment.
Exact. But yeah, on the academy, what I did though is I took a little bit of everything that was working from different person, and I did my own sauce, right? So yeah. So if you want to find out more about that, you can go right here.
Question for you, Sash. What are you looking at on gold?
Gold right now, not much, because I mean, there's nothing.
Ok.
Mais mes chandelles sont tellement petites.
Ok, tu places ça de même en 4 heures, toi.
Ouais, ben je l'ai placé en 4 heures, je l'ai replacé un petit peu en 1 heure. Là.
Ah, mais tu sais, Hugo, on peut pas tout te donner de cul dans le bec, faut que tu cherches un peu. Là.
Ouais, c'est ça, le
Ouais,
gars.
t'inquiète, ma chart est déjà faite.
Yeah.
C'est mort.
C'est un enfoiré quand tu veux.
T'en fais ici, genre?
Ouais, j'aurais pu, mais là, anyway, je veux pas
Là,
trader.
un moment donné,
Je veux pas trader dedans, de toute façon, fait que...
ouais. Faut montrer ça moins pire que qu'est-ce que c'est.
C'est ça. Sinon, c'est décourageant.
H1 kettle just close on GG, bullish engulfing.
Moi, ça t'allait dire, tu sacrais ton camp déjà.
Ah, moi, je suis allé.
Ouais.
Nice plan for gold, Sasha. Yeah, no plan so far. I'm just waiting to get out of this range. So H1 did close.
Si ton plan pour le long se passe sur gold, là, en daily, 18-30, c'est tellement un gros level.
Ah, je sais, c'est pour ça.
Ça
c'est
peut
que...
vraiment être un gros.
Check ça. C'est pour ça que cette zone-là est là, parce que check le daily. So this is big problem, you know? Problem. We're getting right there. So are we going to reject like all the other time? Look at what happened. When we tap this area, what happened after that? Boom, melt. We tap this area, boom, melt. We tap this area, boom, melt. So now we're tapping this area. Are we going to melt again? Or are we going to break, you know? But very powerful level right here on the daily time frame. Oh, GA is finally trying to break above. So we got a 1 hour close right above, 250 QP. But I would like to see like probably on 30 minute like a break and retest. Oh, I don't know if we can consider that a retest candle. I guess so. Yeah, that would make sense. I was not watching it. God damn. Yeah, definitely on that. Here, I'm just going to paper trade that on the break of the high right here. Oops. Just going to paper trade that, see if this plays out. Wow, what a 5 pip stop loss. Pretty good.
Just for the weak feel.
Yeah, let's just see. This is paper trade, guys, so don't go. Paper. I'm going to write it down just for people if they don't think I'm actually trading this.
People are waiting for signals.
Don't get too crazy now.
Yeah, we can definitely wick fill this. And G 1 hour did close engulfing candle, but small body candle.
Yeah, I'm paper trading that setup. Because it's still engulfing on golden zone with quarter point. No high is formed. That's tight.
Really tight.
Hey, il y a de la place pour 10-15 pips.
Ah, c'est un gros range, c'est un range de 50 pips. Mais tu sais, est-ce que je veux trader là? Non, mais c'est ça, tu sais. Est-ce que c'est le plus optimal que je peux avoir aujourd'hui? La réponse est probablement non. Fait que je vais attendre d'être optimal.
Optimum prime.
Ouais, direct ça. Direct ça. Oh, Bob Layen, salutations amigos. Salut.
Les pepitos.
Les pepitos. Oh, almost to 50 likes. Can we get 50 likes? We're missing 4. Come on, guys. Give me 50 likes. Let's get 50. 50. 50. 50, 50, 50.
Non, on va faire ça live.
Ah, là.
Ça arrive ici, ça pose des questions, ça met même pas son like.
Eh, le gars, ça veut tout couiller dans le bec s'il donne même pas un like. Terrible. Ça prend, ça donne jamais rien. Les jeunes d'aujourd'hui. Eh, je te dis. Pas facile.
Non.
Oh, we got to 51 likes. All right, next step is 60.
75.
75, yeah, next quarter point, 75 likes. We just Oui.
Depuis quand on utilise le color point.
Je ne sais même pas pourquoi j'ai dit ça en le disant. Je fais, qu'est-ce que je dis là? Je dis n'importe quoi.
Le gars est dans le col.
Hey, je suis dans le col solide à matin. Là. Ma blonde avait oublié de mettre son téléphone sur silence. Elle a reçu un courriel à genre 4h du matin. J'étais comme fucké comme un jeu de cartes. Là.
Mêlé comme un jeu de cartes. Et voilà.
All right. So, yeah, there's nothing much happening. So, you know what? I'm going to take a couple minutes. I'm going to go take my dog outside. Les Québécois, je vous adore, Bob la hyène.
Nous autres aussi.
Yeah, nous autres aussi, on t'aime. Yeah, so I'm going to take my dogs outside for a couple minutes. I'll be right back, guys. So don't do anything stupid. Ah ouais, je pense que quand j'ai été difficile, je vais mettre sur ma tendance. C'est juste comme ça. Fait que jusqu'à faire rien, ça lève comme un pouce, ça se lève.
Ooh, that paper trade not looking good at all.
Lequel?
GA buys de Satch.
Ouf. Je check.
Almost to stop loss.
Bon, je me suis pris un entrée sur Gold, puis je me suis mis break-even, puis on va voir, man, s'il peut faire s'il peut aller break en haut, là.
Ouais, tu veux comment de pip?
10 pips.
C'est pas.
Non, mais c'est que si les acheteurs ils rentrent, ils peuvent vraiment juste monter vite, là. Check en 30 minutes. 5 minutes.
Ah, mais c'est tellement rangy.
Ah, ben moi, je suis
C'est vrai qu'il y a un coup que ça pète, man. Là, tu sais, ça va péter de quel bord?
Non, mais moi, je veux qu'il pète en haut, là, justement. Je veux pas qu'il pète en bas.
Ouais. On va checker les nouvelles aujourd'hui. Moi, j'en pense.
Il y a un speech de Powell, that's it.
Ok. À quelle heure? 8h15? 8h30? En après-midi?
10 heures.
10 heures, ça fait longtemps que. Ah non, à 8h30, il y a le PPI USD.
C'est quoi ça?
What is PPI? Producer Price Index at 8:30. Expecting 0.6, previous 0.5. Ouais, pas tant de nouvelles que ça cette semaine.
Ouais, c'est soft. Honnêtement, ça serait blesse le gold. Il explose.
Maintenant. À date, ça n'a pas l'air d'être une fusée qui va exploser par exemple.
Ouais.
On pourrait juste avoir un petit peu de chose à bord, de quoi de plus convaincant.
5 minutes, c'est...
Je connais pas dans le gold physique.
Ben man, s'il explose, c'est gros. Mais il peut bretter aussi.
Yeah.
Il peut consolider.
Avec des grosses wicks.
Moi, j'y vais c'est go big or go home. Là.
Non, ouais.
Parce que je le trade pas souvent.
Non. À peine.
Tu sais, je pourrais closer live, puis je serais bien content, mais...
Close half.
Nah, pas de suite. Je suis même pas à 10 pips, là. Bon, non, ok, je suis à 10 pips.
Tu sais, si cette H1-là pour aller au Wakefield, là, ça pourrait être délicieux.
Je sens qu'il West Out aujourd'hui, il va le cœur. Hein.
GJ not looking good after that H1.
Et tu drop un peu GJ tantôt?
Non, pas tout, on consolide depuis le gros drop du 4 novembre.
Ok.
Le 4 novembre, ça doit être mardi, mercredi passé.
C'est quoi ça chie là? Ok, ça chie bien.
4 novembre, c'est jeudi passé. C'est parce que là, on est dans une grosse golden zone en weekly. Fait que man, sur le H1 M30, c'est bien sûr qu'on va consolider.
Ben oui, true.
T'es en train de ralentir le mouvement.
Ok. Ça fait du sens.
À la fin de la semaine, je m'attends à un beau push-up sur Parmian.
Est-ce que tu t'as fait tes push-ups aujourd'hui?
Non, pas en tout.
Ok.
J'ai fait un push-up pour aller à la cafetière.
Ouh.
Night music.
Big gold 20 pips.
20 pieds?
Ah ouais.
Ben oui, on va aller Wakefield.
Il va-tu péter live?
Ah ben là, c'est pas ça revenir à break-even puis il faut prendre une petite baisse.
Non. Ah ouais, monte un peu plus. Là. Parce que live, il peut rejeter où est-ce qu'il est.
Ouais. On s'entend que live, c'est une zone critique.
Je vais être bien honnête avec toi, je surveille un hammer. Là. Dès qu'il brise un web, je get out.
Mais tu sais, d'autres, c'est une paire de momentum, un coup que ça flaire. Là.
C'est ça, faut savoir laisser quand rouler ses runners. Tu sais, comme aujourd'hui, tu sais qu'il faut que tu les laisses rouler. Là. Si tu perds pour aller break en haut.
Tu sais, si tu regardes en H1, le dernier fake-out qu'on a eu, c'était à la baisse. Fait que ça ferait du sens qu'on continue notre mouvement.
True. Ouais, le gros fait. Ouais. 15 minutes va closer, man. Ouf. C'est sûr, faut que je close avant 15 minutes.
Fait que take per chose, on close half, puis laisse rouler jusqu'à Wakefield. À Wakefield, tu closes encore.
Ah, j'ai 3 positions. Fait que je vais closer au moins un tiers. Bullshit.
Tous les odds, man.
You know the drill.
Dans un range de même, les chances sont bien plus que tu te fasses sortir à break-even que tu aies un home run.
Ben ouais, pour un master là. Je viens de closer
Hey,
un
pour
tiers.
le QI push, let's go. Dans 10 minutes.
J'ai closé un tiers, 33%. Puis...
I'm gonna go check on YouTube if anyone has some questions.
Bob Layen, les Québécois, je vous adore.
That's the last comment.
Yeah.
Alright. So So that G paper trade just got stopped out, obviously.
US 30 is my baby.
Alright, so JB Montana, vous tradez chaque matin sur mes lignes. Du lundi au vendredi, de 6h30 à 10h. Mais on est sur YouTube juste 2 fois semaine, le mardi et le jeudi. Sinon, on est enregistré avec le groupe.
Qu'est-ce que tu racontes?
Il y avait un JB Montana qui se demandait si on tradait tous les matins ensemble.
Ah, ben oui. À tous les matins.
Ça rappelle, on fait ça?
À tous les matins pour les membres du pack.
Exact.
All right, so what did I miss?
Stop loss on GA paper trade.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Oh, look at this. Ah oui, toi. Interesting. Let's investigate.
Wengo, il est dans un buy sur gold.
Oh my gold.
Hugo, t'es dans un buy sur gold? OK.
Ouais.
Ah, Hugo, c'est un avant-gardiste.
Tabarnak, le gros, man. T'as mis ton stop où, man?
C'est quoi?
T'as mis ton stop où?
Il n'a pas.
En dessous de la M5. Non, mais je l'ai pas pris là. Je suis déjà dedans. Je roule 10 pips. 11 pips.
Hugo, il est rentré ici de même avec un stop de là. Dans le fond, il a pris sa chandelle ici. Dans le vide.
Je suis rentré, check bien. Je suis rentré ici.
Est-ce qu'il mange mal?
Là.
Tabarnak.
Tabarnak, le gros, man.
Là, on a l'air à racheter, mon gars. Là. Si
Tu t'aimes ça, jouer avec le feu, hein?
Ben ouais, je suis un gars de même. J'ai déjà pris des profits.
Hugo, là, il joue avec le feu.
Moi j'y vais pour ça. Là. C'est ça que je vais aller visiter.
Ouais, mais pourquoi t'attends pas d'être ici?
Non, mais en M5, ça trend hard. Là.
Le gars, c'est parce que, tu sais, là, il check
Non,
Marie-Lou.
mais
Tu sais, il check Marie-Lou, puis lui, il la voit déjà tout nu. Non, t'as des étapes à faire avant de la voir tout nu, tu comprends? C'est comme Gold, c'est la même affaire, là. Jesus.
Étapes avant d'embarquer.
c'est beau rêver.
C'est beau, c'est beau. All right, so what happened with GJ? Nothing. All right.
Nothing at all.
Come on,
The
Michael.
GA, nothing.
Pretty boring session.
Yeah, pretty boring session. Let's go see some comments, questions. Oh, quiet. Come on, just wait for PPI to take any trades. Yeah, that's mostly waiting. You know, because I mean, you got news incoming.
At 8:30.
PPI. So, and we got Powell speaking, and after that we got Bailey speaking. But Bailey's gonna speak when we're done trading, so that's all good. But yeah.
Gold, c'est dead, man.
Gold break even. Là, j'attends.
T'as pas pris une pièce?
Ben oui.
Ok.
Il a pris 2,50 pour son Tim Hortons.
J'ai dû
2,50 puis la commission était 7 piastres. Ok, dans le fond, il est un peu qui veut.
Je vais dire les affaires, Marie, tu fais ton loyer.
Nice.
Ah, le salaud!
Ben là, Chris, le gars me niaise avec mon Tim Hortons. Veux-tu bien?
J'achète le comptoir au complet.
Moi, une chance que hier, le trade sur GA m'a rattrapé ma perte sur Gold d'hier, mon gars.
Ah, de Gold?
Ouais, Gold m'a coûté cher. En plus, j'avais mal calculé mes lots comme un enfoiré de newbie, man.
Ouais, t'as mis des 20.
Ouais, j'ai mis des 20. J'étais comme, voyons, qu'est-ce que je fais là? C'est parce... Ben, en fait, 20, c'était correct. 20, c'était correct. C'est mon stop-loss qui faisait pas de sens pour 20 lots.
Ben, tu sais quoi, hein? Comme je t'avais dit, ça aurait été smart d'attendre le M30. Attendre un petit pullback, puis après ça, tu le prends après.
Ouais.
Mais je connais pas Gold par contre. Pour de vrai, là, je connais pas tant. Tu connais pas mal plus que moi.
Oh, je le connais pas tant.
Gold, c'est genre ton ami, il arrête pas de te lancer des couteaux dans le dos. Genre.
Ouais. Gold, c'est soit que c'est ton ami ou ton ennemi.
Non, il y a comme pas de milieu,
Ton
là.
mari qui te bat. Mais tu restes avec.
Moi, c'est US 30 aujourd'hui. Ouh. Looking good.
En baise?
Je suis pas sûr. Je suis pas sûr, pas sûr.
Dans 3 minutes, on a notre légendaire push.
Ouais.
Tonight is the night. Oh my gold.
What's up with that?
Pas grand chose. Ah, il est venu break even puis il repasse.
Check ben Gold faire 100 pips live.
Ça serait fou, là. Mais tu sais, ouais, tu peux pas buy live, là.
Ouais.
En quoi?
En M3.
En M3?
Ah oui.
Ouais, 20 pips de stop, là. Mais c'est risqué en tabarouette, mon chum.
Ouais, c'est pour ça que c'est cool.
Ce que j'aime en 15 minutes, c'est un gros liquidity grab.
Liquidity.
Ah, c'est une sorte de pâte, ça?
Ouais, c'est ça.
Linguini.
Linguini grab.
Yeah, news about to hit.
Oh, we just passed the 823 push. Nothing happened.
Let's go. Do something. Terrible. Okay, I guess it's gonna be time for pre-market fuel. Let me run to the kitchen very quickly. I'll be back. All right, dogs. It's pre-market fuel time. So I need some boost of energy today.
You should give a bit to Gigi also.
I know. Seriously. Got my new shaker.
Shake it.
Shake it, shake it. Oh, that looks beautiful.
Bon, ça, tu m'as placé de bataille.
Oh non, fais pas ça.
Pas déjà, Marc.
Arrête, là, fais pas ta farouche. Là. Mets-la toute dans ta bouche. Oh, look at gold.
Oh my god.
Oh my gold.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Fait que ben Wego, il va bien genre ici.
Wego, il est déjà acheté. Là.
Non.
Hein?
Wego, il y a le faux mot qui kick in. Là.
Non, mais je le check. Là.
Il est là qui watch.
Il watch on,
Je
c'est.
suis là que je watch, les gars. Bon avant-midi, puis on se reparle demain.
Ciao, buddy.
Yeah.
Ciao, Marc.
So 30 minutes just closed, bullish engulfing, and now we got the news coming in. So what I advise is wait for the storm to pass and get in the boat after. Because news can be wild. Yes, it can be wild, profitable, but it can be wild also destroying your bank account. So someone's having construction in this place.
It's my background. Sorry,
that's
I had somebody with me earlier.
I was like, what is that sound?
And that's when I thought, oh, there's my name. Like I'm looking at doing like this connection. It wasn't much. That's when I asked, did you say my name? But yeah, that is a construction site.
Hey, I know the feeling, man.
Oh, this mic is terrible. I always hear it. Thank goodness I don't have my camera on.
Wow, already 27 pips here for gold. So let's take a look at the news. Oh, wait a second. Where is my... What? Oh. Okay, let's take a look at this. Huh, okay. So a little better. The what, sorry?
I'm missing important discussions while I was busy.
On Discord?
No, I'm missing important talk about charting and stuff today.
No, not much. It's pretty boring, to be honest.
Okay. As long as I didn't miss anything crucial.
No, nothing crucial. It's pretty boring, to be honest.
Man, check gold. Oof.
Yeah, you see, this is exactly why you don't trade gold on the news. You know, look at this. You see how many people bought right here? You know, a shitload of people, and they were greedy because I was like, all right, we're just getting out of this zone. There's clean traffic to the left. I'm gonna hold it because I want to have the big run, and suddenly, bam, melt, and you didn't secure any profits. Yep. Gold will definitely do that to you. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Let's go take a look at GJ. Yes, Powell speaking soon. Correct. But we also have the PPI news right here, like a couple minutes ago, 6 minutes ago. And Powell's going to speak in like at 9 p.m., which is in 24 minutes. Yo, what's up, Rages? Do you think over time the number of traders who fail will change? I don't think so. I don't think so because humans being human, even if I keep telling on people invest in yourself first, they're dumb enough to go throw like $1,000 in the market before getting any courses, any knowledge, So people will always be dumb. So unfortunately, I don't think it will change. Yep. The human is so dumb sometimes. It's just like you have no idea. They think that something magic's gonna happen, they're gonna be rich quick. This doesn't happen. Stop living in a fantasy world. This shit don't happen. Yeah, I mean, just okay, let's thank you for your response, mate. You're welcome. But put it this way, put this in perspective. Do you think, okay, so this is the same question, all right? So this is the same question. Do you think people's going to get with better health over time? They're going to be more fit over time? Because we're having more and more gyms, more and more personal trainer, right? Do you really think that people's going to get more fit and more healthy over time? The answer is no, because people are fucking lazy. So same thing for trading. Same thing for trading. People are fucking lazy. They're not willing to put the work. You know. So hey, it is what it is. How many people you know? Probably yourself. How many people you know? I'm actually guilty of that. How many people you know that paid a subscription to the gym and didn't go? Did 1, 2, 3 times and stop. Guilty. Yeah. So it's fucking lazy. Same thing with mentorship. I have people who actually bought the mentorship with us. They did 3 days and disappeared. Same thing as a gym. Like trading is like a gym. Same idea. You got to be consistent, like every day. Did y'all catch the cell just got in here? Which cell? I cut the reverse down. Oh, on gold? No. No. Got nothing. Waiting for break above. I'm not feeling like gambling. Like any trade in this area is super risky. So do I want to risk my capital? The answer is fucking no. But yeah. No, I wait for some sort of confirmations, right? I mean, what's your confirmation here? That price is gonna go down. I mean, or it's gonna go up. You got no confirmation whatsoever. This is FOMO, and that's it. You know. Oh, GJ is coming down. Let's go. Finally. Hey, we're almost to 75 likes. Let's smash that like button, guys. Oh, look at this. Dun, 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 dun. So this is the kind of candle perfect for people who put a buy stop and a sell stop. Got both activated. And now you're crying. You're like, oh shit. Bam, 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 bam.
I think this daylight savings time has thrown the markets around a little bit there.
The what, sorry?
I think the daylight savings time has thrown the markets around a bit because London has been quite tough.
Yeah.
Where London was quite, there was always a trade. You know what I mean?
I know there was many news now, fundamentals that we're waiting for, so I think that's a big part of that.
And normally after FOMC, it's a bit relaxed.
Yeah.
That gold,
Yeah, gold's finally pushing back up. All right, the kid is leaving for school. Give me 1 sec. I'll be back. Bum, bum, bum. Dun, da, 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 da. Bum, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, bum, bum. So Rome, please tell me you close that cell because this doesn't look good right now. Plus, going against gold's trend is really really very risky, right? And this daily level is really strong, so you got to be careful because we can reject this area and shoot back down. So if we do so, sell is going to be valid. But now, until we get confirmations of that, there's no sells. You got to be careful. Closing profits, perfect. Is the most important thing to do, especially with gold. When you see profits, man, secure some profits because this shit moves up and down very quickly. Joe, hello. Experiment. Buy gold now? No. Gotta wait. Gotta wait for confirmations. I want to see a solid break above this area. And now this 15 minutes. 15 minute just closed with a tiny wick on top. I want to see this 30-minute candle to close above this area. Just keep in mind we gotta get Powell speaking at 9 a.m. So like it's super risky. Yeah, ask my dogs if we change the time they saving. Trust me, they know because it's been at least 1 hour. They're crying for food right now. It's like- Danny, maybe GJ sells would be safer idea. Depends. Now GJ, yes, is bearish, but don't forget, it's not because you see one bearish candle that now GJ is a sell. GJ is going to be a sell after we break this major QP and we stay under. So that's why I have two buys here. And if you look at 4 hours, yes, we've been trending down now and we hit this level and now we're just playing around this major QP. So yes, if we do break under this, we should continue down lower. And if you take a look at the daily though, this daily candle, let's remove this for 1 sec. This daily candle is coming down. Are we printing the bottom wick to push back up after? What is this number? So, sorry, I'm getting an incoming call. So this is something interesting because we also in the daily golden zone, so got to be careful for that. But yeah, two buys here. Yeah, I meant after the 30-minute close. Well, it depends. If we stay on that range, no. If we do break, yes. It will be the H4 close too. Yeah, correct. But we got this major QP in our face, and we got this zone of consolidation in our face. So on my end, I'm not touching it if we're not out of this range. If this 4-hour candle, close engulfing, I might take the next candle on a dogtail setup when we're going to be breaking the low, expecting price and volume to break this area. But it's a very touchy area. It's a support, H4 support. It's major QP. So you know what? Yeah, I'll wait. If I miss the trade, I miss the trade. I want a safe trade.
Check le 5 minutes sage sur gold. Laisse faire, finalement, il est pas vraiment beau.
J'essaie de voir l'opportunité, mais.
Ben, si avec close bullish, ça aurait été beau.
Check cette chandelle-là, pas de wick, man. Tu peux t'attendre à un retrace.
Yeah.
So you see this 30-minute candle didn't close above the range yet. There's still like 4 minutes and 30 seconds left in this candle.
Ah, ok, t'attends 30 minutes.
Ben là, oui, parce que regarde, c'est une grosse zone. Je vais pas attendre qu'une 5 minutes close. Ça fait juste un petit fake out en haut, là, tu sais. 5 minutes, je vais le checker quand j'ai mes confirmations, tu sais. Là, j'ai pas de confirmation.
Ben non, exact. Makes sense.
So what I'm saying here is I look at the 5 minute on gold only when I got my confirmations. Now I have no confirmation, so I gotta wait for confirmations, and after that I can drop down to 5 minutes to find entries. But 5 minute, 15 minute are weak confirmation time frames, so I don't look for confirmations on that. or if I have a solid bias, let's say that we're bullish for sure, 100%. Okay, I might take a look at entries on 5 minutes, but that's it. Now I got nothing solid. Is GG also in the weekly, GZ? Yes. Yes, Jason. We're tapping this major QP right on the dot right now. Bam, 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 bam. Let's go. If we can break and close under this major QP, that would be perfect.
Did you want to enter impulse entry or still wait for the break and retest?
Well, at this stage, I can use a dogtail setup with the time that we have.
Yeah, my only problem is, to the left, these ugly wicks.
Yeah, that's it. That's why I would like to see this one closing like right around here, or it would be nice to have like a 1 minute push, crazy push. Bang! But no, if we do stay above 153, I'm gonna wait. Now Powell is going to be speaking in 1 minute, so gold's going to go crazy again. Man, I have to say the spread are pretty good. Dun, 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 dun. Man, I bought this shaker on Amazon Rhino, and I think they're making good money.
Yeah, probably looks really dope, to be honest, man. I like the design.
Yeah, and like it's a spiral, so it says it's patent. It's patent, and the way you shake it, like this with those waves, you don't need a ball inside.
Yeah.
Let me show it to you.
To be honest, I don't like the balls thing,
Yeah, me too.
With the thing on top, because the ball it's hard to clean in my eyes, I mean,
Yeah.
That's one.
This one.
Give me 1 second. I tell you what they are making in the months.
Yeah, that's it. That's why I wanted to show it to you, because you know what got me into this shaker? When I saw the little, you told me like when you want to sell on Amazon, you need a nice, cute video or something like that, or nice pictures. And these guys actually had, which it's probably not exactly this seller, but they're one of them that actually.
Go home, bro. Shit.
Yeah.
Man, I mean, the sales they sell with the red cap over 16,000 sales a month.
What? Yeah, I tried to buy. I tried to buy the red one. It was back order.
Yeah, they make around 360K only with the red cap, and then the blue cap makes also 360. The turquoise around 200K. It's awesome. Really, they have between 8.5 and 16,000 sales per per variant.
That's crazy.
So Amazon is finally going to open up in South Africa, so we don't have to pay that expensive postal fees.
By the way, guys, if you want to learn on how to sell on Amazon, you gotta get hooked up with Rhino. Rhino's building on his course right now on how to sell on Amazon.
And we go online next, on the weekend or next week on Monday.
You see, this is how it works,
Yeah.
which is pretty cool when you think about it.
I mean, design is cool.
Yeah, and it's very, very like thick, solid. Not cheap.
The only problem maybe if you wash it per hand, because of the design, maybe you cannot really clean it with your hand, because of the.
Oh, I use a brush kind of, and it works pretty well. But I think it goes in the washing machine. I think.
Yeah, should be resistant against washing.
Yeah, you see this.
Yeah, but I mean, with this product, just from my view, I mean, I would never sell a shaker on Amazon because you have so much of them.
I know,
And
crazy.
When you understand branding, and made a new design, it makes sense. Even in these, kind of markets, you can make a shit ton of money.
All right, so 1 hour just closed. Closed right above 153 major QP, so I'm gonna wait. Let's actually put it on 1 hour. So 1 hour did close massive bearish, but I'm still in that range, so I'm not interested. Gold did close right at the zone, on 1 hour. 4 hour did close bullish, so nice. So I might be willing to take it. Let's see. Let me remove this. Oh, actually, this new 4 hour already broke previous high and went down all the way down in like what? In 3 minutes? Wow, what the fuck? Jesus. Okay. What about GA? GA 1 hour. GA 1 hour is nice. Very nice. Yeah, I think that would be nice. Fuck. Yeah. This is going to be a paper trade. Not confident enough because of this major QP, but I will still want to paper trade that. Actually, let's target this QP right here. Can actually put it. And as price moves down, what you can do is trail your stop just above this wick. Bam, 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 bam. But you use a software, right, to determine the brand or what's popular or not.
Yeah, I mean there are also like the trading journals have several guys who made this, but I use Helium 10. We also have competitors of them, but for me it works best, and also I can do more things than just product research. I have alerts, when you write a review about my product, I get a push on my phone. I see the differences also in the sales. I see if my advertising costs are increasing or decreasing. So the sales, you have, I mean, everything. I can make split tests, which is also pretty interesting. When I, present a different picture, how's the impact on the customer? Did I make more or less sales, and then I take the picture which, makes more sales, where the conversion rate is better, where the customer faster clicks on the picture, stuff like this.
Mm-hmm. And do you ship everything yourself?
I mean, I use a shipper. There are several companies in Germany who, who specialize in shipping. But you tell them, hey, guy, I have a supplier in China, for example. This and that I want to ship. Here are the documentation, and please ship it to Germany. And then they say, okay, you have a full container load or less than a container load. Tell you the price, and then it comes to your country. Yeah.
And what about like when you got order placed? Like let's say like today you got 20 orders.
Yeah.
You gonna package them?
No. Therefore I make FBA, bro. Man, I had on Monday, I had 120 sales.
What?
120 only on Monday. I made 1.8K. I don't know what is. It's brutto, not netto. It's not the money you have in your pocket. It's the whole money when you combine it. And Amazon packs it, because you pay a fee to Amazon. And this is the interesting thing. I mean, they pack it, they send it, they make, when the customer send it back, they will take it to your warehouse there in Amazon. So you don't have to care about anything. And this is also what I say in my advertising video, I don't care if I am, at the 80th birthday of my grandma, or if I am at home or in holidays. As long as Amazon has enough, products for me to sell, I don't have to care about anything.
Yeah.
Also, I don't have to write invoices. I don't know if you do it. I mean, last month I had 1,700 invoices, I sold 1,700 products. And you don't want to write them per hand, so you have software which is added to Amazon, and automatically when a customer buys, he gets his invoice. And when he returns, you don't want to have it, he gets his, I don't know what's the English word, you get a piece of paper that you got your money back from this. Order number 125, whatever, and you pay $15 and you get $15 back.
Wow.
And this is automatically,
That's pretty cool. So wherever you are, business still running.
Exactly.
That's cool, man.
My only task when everything is installed, I only have my only task is to have enough products to sell in my warehouse. I mean, I do not have everything in Amazon. I have an external warehouse, and and to optimize my advertising, So every week or every 2 weeks, I watch into my advertising and see the costs and optimize the click prices for keywords. And that's it. Pretty much that's it.
It's nice when systems are like integrated like that.
Yeah.
It's really hassle-free.
Yeah, that's cool, man.
The guy who makes my whole, I don't know, the booking shit and whatever, the bank account regulation, whatever. Also, here in Europe, we have OSS system, it's called, which means when I make over 10K a year, not in Germany, for example, in Austria or Switzerland, at the day I reach the 10K, I don't have to write my own, the German tax on it, the 19%. Then I have to write on the tax which is in this country. And also there is a system. I just included it and I don't have any problems,
Wow.
Well, it's not stressing at all. When everything is, combined, it's not big work, You can even do this when you have, a normal job. There would be no need for me to be at home.
to be
So you
honest.
don't need trading anymore, is that what you're saying?
What do you mean?
You don't need to trade anymore, you make enough money on Amazon.
Man, trading is a different, how to say, a different source of income.
For sure.
First. And also, I mean, it's interesting because you don't have to buy products, you know.
Yeah.
And this is also the reason why I made a course. You know, I will do more courses also for online marketing, which is specialized for Amazon sellers. Because with online products, I don't have, you know, to buy stuff. Because, bro, trust me, I have 10,000s of, you know, dollars in products. You know,
Yeah.
I mean, when I tell you I sell around 1,700 products only in October. I mean, you maybe can imagine how big, you know, my warehouse has to be with the products.
Yeah, that's it. And it's stressful when you have inventory, dude. It's stressful because your money is sleeping, you know.
Yeah.
This is the part which it's like retails, right? It's like having a store. When you got like $1 million in inventory, it's stressful, dude. You know.
So I had 2 shops here, and I'm going to put it back to dollars. Probably $200,000 worth of dishwashing liquid, detergent.
Wow.
In the 2 stores, you know what I mean? So it's dead money. It's just sitting.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's crazy. So yeah, so that's cool. If you can get online product, fuck yeah, man. And trading, I think trading. I think what Rhino does is actually a good mix. You know, trading and Amazon store is pretty cool, man, because you can be fucking anywhere in the world, and you know, you can either trade or you got your store running. You know, just like fuck yeah.
No, 'cause I can't wait. I can't wait for Amazon to launch it, because I definitely look at doing something like that. It's just accessible. It's online. Food is an online thing. You know?
Yeah.
It's just digital. There's no reason actually to have retail stores today.
Yeah, I'm so curious about that. I think I'm gonna be Rhino's first students just because I'm super curious.
Yeah, 100%. Me too.
The only problem, guys, it's in my mother language.
Oh, you the oh come on, bro.
You're gonna have to do a translation, Rena.
Yeah.
You have to do it in English. You cannot do it.
Yeah, now you're done, Rhino. Rhino, you have no choice now. Hey, I'm sure there's people on YouTube right now saying the same thing.
Probably let's see what it brings, man. To be honest, now we go into the German market. Also, you know, right now I have contact with some guys who are interested in buying my brand, and let's see how it goes.
I'm looking at GJ right now with this rejection to the upside. If we have a nice dogtails there, break the low, I can expect like NYC volume to break it down and continue to push down. Let's take a look at 4 hours. This is also going to be the break of the 4 hours low. So that should be pretty interesting. Gonna place an alert there, so
You want to take it right when it breaks, or
yeah, right at the break, like right around here. If it does.
it's around 17 pips stop loss, kind of.
Yeah, it's pretty decent. And the thing is, you can target this next QP, the 750 QP right here. This can be your first target. All right, so get on the translation now, Rhino.
Yeah, man, probably. I mean, the whole Amazon game, you know, is the same in different languages. The only what is the difference is, you know, we in Germany have different rules when you know, want to get an entrepreneur, you know, when you open up a business, you know. And this is also included, you know, because
not many people know how the proper way is, you know, to open up a business.
Oh, true. Yeah.
Yeah, but as I was saying, you know, I have some guys now which are interested in buying my brand. They bought a cosmetic brand last week, and the plan is to bring my products to the US markets. So
Nice.
pretty interesting. Yeah, but you need to know, I mean, when you want to sell on US, I mean, you need a shit ton of money, you know. I mean, even in Germany, we are pretty small, you know. The sales are pretty good, and when you then go to the US, I mean, you need a shit load of storage.
Yeah, the volume is different.
And this is also, you know, this is over my capital, to be honest. Therefore, I want to sell it, you know, make a second brand on Amazon again with higher priced products for more return also,
Hmm.
and then sell it again, and then let's see. So I think I will sell this brand for 6 figures, and the next one probably for 7.
Wow, amazing, bro. So that's your bicycle hang rack kind of.
It's what do you mean, the selling?
The thing that you it's the wall mount for a bicycle, right?
Yeah, and I also have, you know, felt caps. I can
Oh
show you.
yeah, I remember. Yeah. Well, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. I can't believe that such a small thing can be so big, you know?
But that's what's amazing about it, right?
Yeah. That I was really impressed.
We think that we need a big item to sell to make money, where the simplest things are making such massive revenue.
Yeah, crazy.
Yeah. And to be honest, I raised the price to not go out of stock this year.
That's it. And I'm sure you're selling a lot.
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro. Actually, I just bought something very I don't even know if it's good or not, but I just bought on Amazon yesterday. Not this one, but I bought those because my dog literally learned on how to open doors. Hold on. Show. Actually bought where is it? This one right here. So I bought this right here. Because yes, he learned how to open the garage door. So he just smashes his paw on the handle, the door open, and this little motherfucker, he knows this is where I stash all my returns from my customers. So I got a ton of food there for dogs, right? I got many boxes over there. And this guy just decided to break open one box and emptied it. He looks like a fatty boy right now. So yeah, I actually bought this, and I'm sure there's a shitload of people who buy those kind of things. It's stupid. It probably costs like $2 to make. I don't know, and they're selling for 18, so the profit is probably super good.
Oh no, your voice is gone, bro.
My voice is gone.
Now it's back.
Oh, okay. So
I just saw your lips move.
yeah, so I was saying like about this, and I'm sure it costs like not much to make, and
Yeah.
you know they're making good money out of it. You know.
And also, it's a bad listing. I see it. I mean, this kind of picture there, it's against the Amazon rules. You know, you are not allowed to. Your picture have to look like the left one. You know, the bestseller. You know,
This one?
You have to have a white. No, the next left one.
Oh, okay.
You have to have a white background. You know, all these other stuff is not allowed.
Oh wow.
So they can block you. You know. But probably when the sales are big, they say, okay, fuck it, man.
Wow. Because to be honest, this picture doesn't tells me anything, but this picture tells me everything.
This is made, you know, really ugly. I mean, maybe you have to make a picture like the right one, you know, you bought, but you know, make it on a white screen also. You can write something.
Yeah. Crazy. All right, get on the translation. Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, this is your cat, right? This is a nice picture, actually.
Yeah, it's right now at 15 euros, which should be around 17 bucks.
I don't even know what I just clicked. It was in German, so but I guess it was for cookies or something. Yeah, man, I can't believe like this. This is amazing.
That's crazy. I actually bought like something similar to this in SA for my kids at my table. Because our floors like that polished cement. And I bought those similar.
Drive me nuts, man. I love it. I love it. I fucking love it. Amazing. And this is a small item, so you can stash a lot of those into one container, man.
To be honest, one guy told me, yeah, let us try, my caps are, standing. And when I can lay them in the packaging, I would save some space. And if I would not have my warehouse in Germany and I have it in Poland or in Czechia, for example, now listen, I would make per item 80 cents more on it, on net return. So
Wow.
it's around €1. And I was like, oh shit, man, trust me, when you don't buy my brand, I will do this immediately. And he says, yeah, man, it's your right, But these are I know a lot of tricks, but these big guys, they also have something in the back, they know much and also have some, some more tricks they experience,
Yeah.
Because when I go below 2.5 centimeter on my packaging from the heat, then I'm in the smallest group and I pay less. And yeah.
Amazing.
And these are these kind of optimizations, you do when you have the business running and so on, you improve your pictures, you improve this and that and this.
Yeah, that's pretty good, man. Hey, I'll be right back. Okay, so nothing is happening, man. Man, even this paper trade is not doing shit. One 7 pips profit, and that's it. So that would be boom. Yeah, that's it. Not much. All right, guys. So I guess I'm gonna have to go. New York opens around 8:30. Not around. It's at 8:30. NYC open 9:30. But yeah. So basically, what I'm going to be looking is a break of the high of the H4 high here. On gold and GJ, same idea here on the low. So yeah, that's it. So all right, YouTube. So thank you very much for being here. Tomorrow night we're gonna have Forex talk over beer. So tune in and we're gonna have fun. We're gonna break down trades. We're gonna answer some Q&As. So come join us. And let's see if we have any last question here. No, we're good. Perfect. Again, so Zoom, you can stay there for a couple minutes, but YouTube, I'm going to be closing this. And thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow night.